morning to everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Please sit down. Thank you. So, are you ready for new concept to learn today? Yes, ma'am. So, first of all, I would like to start a new chapter. But before starting a chapter, I would like to ask you questions. Okay? Every day you people are coming to school? Yes, ma'am. Right? Athar, please get up and tell me by which way, by which thing you are coming to school? Vehicles. Vehicles. You are coming to school. Which vehicle you are using? Scooty. By scooty you are coming. Okay. So you have told that you come by scooty. Sit down. Ananya. Absent. Get up. Van. Okay. Then Divyanshi. Yes, tell. You also come by van. Okay, it is already written. Loshika. You come by scooty. You Vedansh? Bike. You come by bike. Okay. And Shoaib, get up. You come by PAC bus. Okay. Can anyone tell me what do we call all these things in general term? Yes, Amriti. They are called as vehicles. Very good. Okay. So vehicles are the things that help people to travel from one place to another. Okay. You are using these things to move from your home to school, and again you will go back from school to your home. If you have to visit your grandmother's house, then yes, Agrima? By train. Okay. Yes, Riyash? By car. Okay, that means you are having different types of vehicles that help you to move from one place to another. Okay. So our today's topic will be, आपका आज का चैप्टर होगा means of transport. Okay. Means of transport. Now before going to that, again I will show you a picture. Okay. Just have a look at this. What is this? Bike. What is this? What is this? What is this? Hot air balloon. And this? Okay. So, can you tell me where you have seen this vehicle moving? कहाँ move करते देखा? Yes, Nilash. Okay, you have seen this vehicle on road. इसको आपने देखा है कहाँ पर? Road. Okay. And where you have seen this train running? Yes. On rails, tracks, right? और रेल ट्रैक कहाँ होते हैं? Railway station. That is railway station और कहाँ पर होते हैं? On the land कितने ट्रांसपोर्ट हमने देखे? लैंड, एयर, water, right? So we are having three types of transport, right? Now I'm showing you some picture. Okay. Yes, what is this? And where does it move? Road, that is your land. Okay. Then comes to your next. This is your second image. Where you have seen it? With air. Okay. And this is your another transport where you have seen this. So basically we are having three types of transport, right? Land, water, and air. Okay. Next, this. Now, I show you some more vehicles. As you have seen that we are going through these sort of transports. Okay. Here you can see the various transport. Can you tell me what is the common in all these vehicles that help them to move on road? Yes, Yogya, what is the common here? Okay, it is having wheels. Anything else? Yes, Rui? Diesel and petrol. Okay. So I have asked the question that what thing help them to move on road? रोड पे चलने के लिए किस चीज की जरूरत है? She has told it requires wheel and you told fuel. Does every vehicle require fuel? If we talk about bicycle, does it require any fuel? No. So the vehicles that have engine that require fuel to run, and we have several vehicles like your bullock cart, tonga, rickshaw, tricycle rickshaw, and your bicycle. They does not require any fuel. Rather than they use the animal energy as well as human energy. Right? So you can see that after the invention of the wheel, we were able to make so many vehicles for transportation. Okay? हम तभी तो बना पाए जब हमारे पास व्हील आया. Then our transport became easy, right? So how the people used to travel when they were not having any vehicle, any wheel. Wheel था नहीं तब क्या कर रहे थे? Yes, Rishin? Yes, they used to cover the distance by walking. So let's have a small video on the evolution of. taming the animals, right? Now here you have seen when they started taming the animals, they trained animals to carry the loads, okay, or goods. Now when they learn about the invention of the wheel, then just have a look how they have got the change. Now again here you can see that when there was no vehicle, then when the people they have to cross the river, then they were using the boat. And nowadays we are having various means of water transport also. Okay, that I will show you later on. Then first of all the steam engine was invented. After that, and who invented the steam engine? James Watt. How many of you have seen this hot air balloon? Yes, bro. Have you seen this? Where? Where? Is there anyone who have used this, sat on it? Yes. Where? Where? Lucknow Mahotsav we are having every year. In Lucknow Mahotsav, hot air balloon in which you sit and you see the world from the sky. Right? So in this video what you have seen that due to the development of science and technology we are having various means of modern transport to travel from one place to another. Okay. Let's have some more pictures. These are the means of your water transport. Okay. आपने water transport सबसे पहले हमने देखा we are having the simple boats to move, right? And before the boats, the people were using the rafts. What are rafts? The logs of wood were tied together, and the people used to sit and travel from one place to another. And now here you can see with the development of science and technology, we are having different types of water transport to move, right? In your merchant navy, आपका merchant navy में submarines are used. That means underwater ships are used. Here you can see the cruise liners Cruise liners are the very large ships that is full of luxuries. They are having the hotel rooms, restaurants, swimming pools, and the sleeping area cabins for the people to sleep. Right? It is the luxurious. Then comes to your simple sailboat, and this is your cargo ship. Cargo ship is used to carry the goods from one place to another. Okay? And can you tell me कि schema board, submarine lifeboat. What is this? Yacht. Yacht is also a means of water transport that help people to travel from one place to another. Okay? Then again we are having one more picture. Air transport. Here are some means of air transport. Hot air balloon you have just seen. Aeroplane that is used to carry large number of people in one time. Right? Many people can sit together at once and move from farthest place in just few minutes. It can cover the long distance in very short span of time. And that is why this is expensive. Right? This is the most expensive means of transport because it helps you to reach the far away places in short duration of time. That is why it is expensive. Second, helicopter. Can it carry more people? It is limited. It can keep the people in a limit. It cannot carry more people. Right? Hot air balloon and space shuttle, as you have seen, that the scientists are going to the space for the research. And for reaching to the space, they are using the space shuttle. Right? So these are the means of air transport. We will have a small video again to study about this. How do you decide which mode of transport you are going to use? Okay? आप कौन सा ट्रांसपोर्ट यूज करोगे कहाँ जाने के लिए? How you will decide? First of all, your choosing depends on three things. First of all, what time you are having. आप कोई भी कन्वेंस चूज करते हैं वो डिपेंड करता है तीन फैक्टर्स पे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट टाइम यू आर हैविंग, आपके पास कितना समय है. सेकंड, व्हाट डिस्टेंस यू हैव टू कवर, कितनी दूरी कवर करनी है. And your third one is what amount you are having in your pocket. Everybody cannot afford the airplane, right? Everybody cannot afford. Some can go by car, some can go by train, according to their pocket and according to the distance they have covered. Okay?
How do you decide which mode of transport to use? Early man invented the wheel to carry heavy load, but little did he know his invention would make way for transport vehicles of the future. Some of the earliest vehicles used for transportation.
Here you can see that after the invention of the wheels, the tamed animals were used to carry the load. Here you can see that bullock cart and horse carriage. Does they require any fuel? No. We were not requiring any fuel at that time. It is eco-friendly. It is not polluting the environment also. And the vehicles that use the fuel, they pollute the environment.
Were bullock carts and horse carriages. Today, we have many modern vehicles such as trains, buses, bicycles, cars, motorbikes, rickshaws, ships, airplanes, and helicopters to travel around the world. We usually use trains for long distance travel across our country. Bicycles and rickshaws are good for short distance travel by road. We travel on.
Now, first of all, if you have to walk to nearby places, okay? Suppose you have to go to your friend who lives nearby your house. Then will you use car? No. You can go by walk or you can use the bicycle, right? But if you have to travel the long distance, then you will use car. ज़्यादा दूर जाना है और अगर हमें बहुत दूर जाना है from one city to another. Suppose you are living in Lucknow and you have to meet your grandparents living in Delhi or Agra, anywhere, then definitely you are going to use the train. And train is the cheapest means of transport. Okay, now come to your next water transport.
Large ships to move across countries. For short distance travel and fishing in water, boats and catamarans are used.
Okay, now one thing. Can anyone tell me what is the difference between ship and boat? Yes, Aradhya.
Ship is large and boat is small.
Okay, any other difference? Yes, Archit?
Ship covers more distance and boat covers short distance.
Yes, Agrima, sit down, becha. Agrima, yes, you get it.
Ship used to cover distance one country to another country. Boat used to fishing and boat is used for shipping.
Okay. Yes, Divyanshi?
Ships have cabins, swimming pools, and boats have not.
Okay. But the main difference, yes, Sahil, you get it.
Ships carry more than people and boat carry some people.
Okay. The important difference, yes, Riyansh.
Ship is very luxurious and boat is not luxurious.
Boat is more luxurious. Okay. Sit down. Yes, Akash, tell.
Ship carry more load, boat carry short load.
And one more important difference that your ship or your cruise liners, they always travel in the sea or big water body. But you cannot take the boat in sea. You will use the boat in rivers or lakes. हम वहीं पे यूज कर सकते हैं. हम बोट को सी और ओशन में नहीं चला सकते. Right? Next, this is catamaran, and catamaran is a type of boat that is used for recreational purpose. Yes, fishing. If you want to go for recreation, then you can use it for fishing and sailing. Right?
Like yacht.
We can go to any place in the world using air transport. Airplanes and helicopters are the fastest means of travel available to us today. Some places have special vehicles of their own. For example, in hilly regions, it's fun to travel by winch trains, toy trains, and cable cars or ropeways. Now, can you think of some vehicle?
Okay. As I told you that we have trains in the road transport. Road transport में हम train भी ले जाते हैं, railways. Okay. We are having different types of trains. In hilly areas, we are having toy train because the roads are not broad, so we are having the narrow tracks for the train. That is why the trains there are called as toy train. And we are having metro trains also nowadays that is run through the electricity. Right? Your first metro train was started in Kolkata in 1984. Right? कहाँ पे शुरू हुआ था मेट्रो ट्रेन सबसे पहले? Do you have metro in your Lucknow city?
Yes.
Okay, how many of you have traveled? Oh, all of you. Very good. Okay. Then we are having passenger train, we are having goods train, and we are having express train that runs at very high speed, about 150 kilometers per hour. Okay? And for moving with the train, do you require anything We get ticket from ticket counter. Okay, हमें ticket counter से ticket मिल जाता है.
Used
Sit
for
down, बच्चा.
emergencies such as accidents, thefts, or fire breakouts. Patients are transported to hospitals using an ambulance. An ambulance vehicle is used only at hospitals. Fire engines are vehicles sent by fire stations to put out fire.
What is the emergency number to call the fire brigade? Can anyone tell me? Yes, they just
108.
108 to call the fire. Yes, Jaya. 101. Very good. Please sit down.
Whereas police cars are used by policemen to catch thieves. There are other vehicles such as tractors, trucks, and lorries that carry goods through roads. Tractors are also used for farm work such as plowing. Mail vans or trucks are used to deliver
Postal van. Okay. Where can you see the postal van? Near the post office. And who works in the post office? Postman. And who is the head of the post office? Postmaster. Very good. Okay. When you put the letter in the letter box, then from the letter box, these letters are collected and taken to the post office. From the post office, these letters are dispatched within the city by the help of this postal van. Okay. So let's have one quiz. Okay. Nobody will shout. Dash is the fastest means of transport. Ekat word. Air. Is he right? Okay. Just check the answer. Good. Next question. What was the invention made by Sapiens' father? It was known to make travel easy. What made the traveling easy? Yes, Ruhi. Wheel. Very good. Next question. Name the vehicle. Abhishri, you get ready for that. Name the vehicle that has 4 wheels and runs on land. It is used to transport patients for medical facilities from one place to another. Abhishek? Ambulance. Very good. Next question. Arushi, get up. If Mr. Pillai wanted to transport furniture to his new house, he should use a truck. Very good. Next question. Sit down, Richard. Name the transport that can even land on rooftops. Look at the options. Any new face? Anika? Helicopter, because it does not require a runway to move. It can land on the roof. Finish? Okay. Next. I have one more thing to ask. Just wait. Uh, Mommy will do this. We have many vehicles for traveling. Let's check out our options when we want to travel near or far. Okay. I shall be Yes. Oh, get up. Come here and take the correct answer here. Just put your finger on the correct option. I shall be the one to take to Australia in 13 hours and 20 minutes. Aeroplane. Very good. This is the correct one. Go. Next. I shall take you, Aisha. I have not read the question yet. I shall take you to all around the seas of the world. Ship. Very good. Next, Samriddhi. You shall pay me by meter reading and I shall take you to the nearby places. Auto rickshaw, because in most of the cities we are having the meters in the autos. हमारे यहाँ नहीं है. But in other cities like your Mumbai, Pune, they are having the meters in there. I can take you with your friends to all the places you want to go. Yes, Yogya? Bike? With all your friends. Yes. With all your friends. That means you are having too many friends with you. Train. Then, I love it when you look out of my window. Only this is the vehicle that is having windows. Remaining are having window? No. That means, so what we have learned today? Means of transport. And how many means of transport we are having? Three types. What are they? Air transport. Very good. Now what will be your homework today? Just write down your homework here. Write name of two vehicles that have two wheels, three wheels, and four wheels. Right? You just have to find two examples of each. Okay? The vehicles that are having two wheels, or three wheels, or four wheels. Okay? Note down your homework. Thank you, class.